In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Nifty Solutions single drawer for 38 coffee pods. This is used for the K-cup system. So this is the drip cup, or sorry, not the drip cup, but the 1 cup solution for K-cup. There's a whole bunch of different models. It's the whole big thing right now with coffee. So this is basically a tray or a drawer that you can put as you can see here in the picture, the actual coffee maker on top of this stand. Now, this video is actually not to do anything with coffee. I'm going to be using this as a monitor stand. So if you look behind that, you'll see that I've got basically a stack of yellow pages here. One yellow page, and I've got a second monitor there with another thing of yellow pages, book of yellow pages. So I'm going to be using this to prop up my monitor. Now, I've looked online for other solutions for monitor stands, and I've looked at Best Buy, Staples, Future Shop, and you're looking at a price range of basically between $30 to, and I've seen as high as $100. So that's way outside of my price range that I'm looking for just to prop up my monitor. The yellow pages don't cost me a penny, and I like that solution. The cheaper the better. But then again, if you're running a business, you want to make it look professional. And considering that I'm always having meetings in my office, it's time for a change. So that being said, I'm going to use this as a monitor stand. The only downfall with this particular version compared to others is in the tray there are actual vertical pieces of metal that allow you to organize your cups nice and evenly throughout the entire system. Other ones don't have that, so you could use it as, let's say, a paper tray or a paper bin, which is a nice little convenience as well. But the reason why I went for this one, because this only cost me $16 at Costco. $16 Canadian. You can find similar systems to this, but you're looking at $30. $30 to around $35 for these. So this is what I'm using this one for. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. So I've gotten 2 of these. The other one is actually what's holding up that camera that you're looking at. As soon as you open it up, it comes in this plastic. And what you have is basically this stand that can take some good weight. Now you'll see here, I'm just going to slide this out. Now, it doesn't come all the way out, but you'll see here these are the vertical bars that I was referring to. I guess you could slide this entire tray out, get a pair of wire cutters and chop these off, but for my purposes I'm not going to be using this as a paper tray, so it doesn't bother me to have it like that. So it does have a guard on the back here to prevent it from pushing out from the other side, so it doesn't slide through. So that's a nice little convenience. It has 4 legs on here. Now some of you might be asking yourself, well, how do I know this will take the weight of a monitor? Well, I can tell you something. If it can take the weight of a coffee maker with water inside of it, it can definitely take the weight of an LCD monitor. This LCD monitor here is a 24-inch. It is made out of plastic, but if you have something like a 20-inch, the base is really a metal base, so it is a little bit heavier.
Can't forget. But basically, this entire system here, it has, you can see it here. If you look very closely, along here are soldered spots where this surface here is nice and secure. So I do like that fact, and I kind of did test it out when I was at Costco. I actually stood on this thing and it took my weight, and I'm a pretty heavy guy. So it does
it does take some good weight. Now, the only thing is this is a little bit higher than my my stack of yellow pages here, but you know what? I don't care. It's I think I needed to elevate it anyway, so let's go ahead and just substitute that out. And this is, you know, I certainly like this more than, you know, any of the other monitor stands that I've seen that cost a lot more. My suggestion to you, before you go out and buy one of these, that you do, if you want to, measure out your space that you need it for, and ensure that your monitor will fit there. So that's what it looks like. Now, I didn't measure this out, but I am one lucky guy that it actually fits right in between there. So that's what it looks like. You do see that there is a bit of a height difference there, but you know what? I don't think that's going to bother me. I think that's a good height for me. So yeah, that is the unboxing and personal suggestion for you. The Nifty Solutions. Pretty nifty. You can use this as a monitor stand as well. Again, that is selling at Costco for $16.99. You might find it at other stores, and they're going to be more expensive. I've checked. So that is the unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about it, please do post them in the video below. Thanks again for watching.